This video is a response to this comment. Please show me how to add GBP account on Wise for fast transfer. Right, so first thing is to log into my Gray account here and click on the British pound. The next thing is for me to come to my Wise account and come to recipients, click on add recipients, select GBP, choose enter bank details and click on myself. So you have two options here. You either choose IBAN or local bank account. You should go for local bank account and then copy the details from your Gray account. You have the sort code here. You have the account number. This is the account number right here, and you put your name. Once you're done, you click on confirm, and that is all. So I'm using a different account for this demonstration. I didn't use my account because that is already set up. Yeah, so this is just an easier way for me to show you how it works. If this answers your question, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.